Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Himdan la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïapyni. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Should we say case you speak down?
Hadien ka Jingïapyni ibor bat ki pulit ha ka Jingïapyni bantur sya secretariat bat Hadien bagi lami na secretariat bat baga Jingdawa kala urlong shwa ban kren si kipaj ba kalami ka Jingbiria bat ka Jingïapyni Hapdeng ki Nongïalam jongkani ka Jingïapyni bat u deputy commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills district u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS kumjuru bat u superintendent of police ka West Jaintia Hills district u Jakpal Singh Dhanau IPS. Kani ka Jingbiria Hapdeng jongki kadai Hadien baga sorkar kala sngap ya ka Jingdawa ban pha dagi pulit pahara hagi jagarep jongki nong lapangam.
Should we say case you speak down?
Yang jong SB bat DC ada kim orlang ngin sawan sa sibaw siya ni biar niya ngin page wa ya kay bagi kular ini mo biar niya ngin page kay bagi kular iki lana kile tagabiang lana kimle ngin sawan sa sibaw siya ngat ani sige hajar mo dani na ko tamang kibin ya kay iki jinawa ko pi kinongret biang ya pa di pi tangway ba pin mi dan buram nang ni wat pentot ya kaya kiyang jong giwai gipet ba gibaya yung tinang ni naga kepala sekretariat ba pin le sige yung gisam jong pi ba pin nado le siya gaski pin le rep kumba siya le rep biang march brang march brang march brang.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.